you about a few alternatives to Shein. As we all know, Shein has been banned recently, and it's been very difficult for all of us to find cheap clothing and cheap accessories. But I've come up with few alternatives which are actually really good, even better than Shein actually. So I'll begin with a few of them. But before we start, I would just like to tell you to please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified every time I put up a new video. Also, do hit the like button and share this video with all your other friends. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'll be mentioning all the links in the description down below. So let's begin with the video now. To begin with, I'll start with the section of clothing. Now divided the categories into clothing, accessories, home decor, shoes. So I'll begin with clothing first. My most favorite website where I like to shop from is Ajio. Now it's got the trendiest of clothes. The Indo-Western stuff is really amazing on there. You get t-shirts like caption tees, single color t-shirts, and really quirky prints and really quirky patterns on there, and for really affordable prices. They seem to be having a sale all the time, so that's like an added bonus. So do check out Ajio. Some of my favorite brands from Ajio are, it's got to be Rio, Fig, and they're Ajio's own personal brand itself. So do give that a look. I'll be inserting pictures of different items of clothing that I have from Ajio right beside me. The next one I would go on to is Missa Mode. Now Missa Mode is a site or a store which has its predominance on Instagram more than otherwise. Do check out their Instagram as well. I'll link everything in the description box below. So you can check out their Instagram, and they have a website as well. They have amazing deals, like you can get 3 pairs of clothing for around $7.99 or $6.99, I'm not sure about that. They have really different designs. They have 2 pieces and 3-piece sets. They have Indian wear, fusion wear, they have Western wear, and their clothes are absolutely amazing. The quality is top notch. Some of them might be a bit expensive, but do give this website a try. The next one I'd like to mention is Street Style Store. Now Street Style Store, I'll admit, is a little sketchy if you ask me. The main thing being that whatever you order will take a long time to reach you. So for example, if you want something in a hurry, then do not order a Street Style Store. But if you want affordable things, then make sure to check this website out. You have amazing deals like 3 tops for $6.99 or 3 co-ord sets or 3 dresses for $9.99. You get 2 boots for $9.99. And although it takes time, I can assure you that the quality is going to be amazing. If you're unsure about this website, then be sure to opt for the COD option. All of the websites I've mentioned primarily have COD option, but some of them do have discounts when you order online. The next website I mentioned is Lulu and Sky. Now Lulu and Sky was a website which I really hadn't tried before, but in the last year or so, I've tried quite a fair bit of clothing from there. They usually have very limited stock, and the sizes run true to size. So you have to look at the size chart. Always look at the size chart before you order of it. And sometimes it may even come in a smaller size. So what you have to do is you can size up or you order your size if you're absolutely sure about it. But they keep having discounts and sales over there. So you would get really trendy items for really affordable prices. So do give Lulu and Sky a check. One of my favorite pairs of jeans is from there. I don't seem to get the correct fit anywhere, but Lulu and Sky has proved me wrong. Amazing stuff there, do check it out. You get really trendy accessories. For example, their hair accessories are gorgeous. So do check that out as well. Next website I'd like to mention is Cooves. Now what really strikes me or what stands out about Cooves is their really wide variety of colors and structures. So they have a lot of simple things like t-shirts, but they make it quirky or different by making it really structured in various different colors, and it's of course very affordable. They keep having offers, so look out for that. Always keep a lookout on the Instagram pages of all these stores for a better idea, and of course it's good for the customer service as well. You can always check out people who have worn these clothes in real life on the Instagram as well. So do keep a check out over there. The next one I'll be talking about is Stock by Love. Now Stock by Love is a website which is actually a hit or a miss sometimes because of their sizing, but I would say if you want really good quality formal wear, then go to Stock by Love. One of my favorite 2-piece suit set is actually from Stock by Love, and it was really affordable. A little alteration here and there is fine as long as you're ready to invest a little bit. They do keep having sales and discounts of course, but it can be a bit on the pricey side. Now I'm moving on from clothing to accessories. Now for accessories, I always go to Instagram stores. They are my one-stop shop for all sorts of accessories. The first one I'd like to mention is this Instagram store called the NB House. They have really gorgeous designs. They have golden jewelry, they have silver jewelry, they have ethnic jewelry, they have dainty jewelry, they have gorgeous headbands. They even come up with a new range of face masks, and they are all gorgeous. Very affordable, and shipping pan-India. Another Instagram store that I always keep going back to for my ethnic jewelry or the silver jewelry, oxidized jewelry, is Retro Chic. I'll mention all the handles again in the description like I already said so. I'll insert a few pictures. They have really pretty jewelry, heavy jewelry, day-to-day jewelry. They have really dainty designs as well. Give them a check. The next one would be Studio Voila. Now Studio Voila is a store which has really different designs. If you want designs which you've never seen before, which is absolutely unique, then do give this a try. It can seem a bit pricey, but if you invest in it, I assure you, you won't regret it. Now moving on to the home decor section. Now home decor can be a little dicey, like the quality you can't see it, ordering online is a risk. So I just have two recommendations over here. Number one would be good old trusted Amazon. Now I agree Amazon is also a hit or a miss sometimes, but if you carefully read the customer reviews, especially the one with the pictures, then I'm sure you can land a few gems. So Amazon is the first one. The second is Chumbak. Now Chumbak is a brand which is not really known for its home decor, but you can really look at their home decor. It's quirky, it's different, the quality is top notch, and they have a wide variety as well. They keep having sales too, but can still be a bit pricey for some of you. But if you're willing to invest, then do check it out. Home decor is actually Fab India. This lamp right behind me is actually from Fab India as well. So give them a try. They have really pretty and good designs, sustainable. They are mostly recyclable, and they're all gorgeous, and they will give any house, a refined touch. I'm sure about that. Moving to the last category, which is shoes. I just have like a couple of suggestions for here. The first one would be again Street Style Store. You can definitely check them out. They have really cool deals on shoes as well. They take time again, so it's a bit sketchy that way, but it's always worked in my favor. I can't speak for anybody else, but at least for me, it's always been a hit, up till now at least. And the second one would be Crafted with Happiness. Now I came across this particular site by chance, absolutely by chance, but I can tell you I've never looked back. They have some of the most gorgeous designs for chappals and juttis, and they have some really cool deals that go on over there. So do give Crafted with Happiness a chance. So that's it for all the alternatives, but keep a few things in mind. Number one, always give the customer reviews a good look. Always make sure that you're aware of how the customers are liking all the products. Number two, never give the sizing chart a miss. Always for every product that you are purchasing, look at the sizing chart carefully and make sure you're ordering the correct size. And the last one would be that if you have never tried a site before and you're not sure about it, then opt for the COD option, so that if you're not sure about it or it comes really late and you don't want it then you can always cancel it. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. I also have an Instagram page where I keep posting a lot of fashion related content, so do be sure to follow me there. Thank you. Bye bye.